All right, so y'all know I've been waiting to open up this sneaker with you guys, and just because I want to give you guys my honest opinion on it. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box, see what we got right here, see union paper. Okay, first reaction, let's see. All right, my honest opinion, respectfully, the Union Chicago Shadows are
like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get
Hey, what is poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have a detailed look, unboxing and review of these joints right here. I've been waiting for the right opportunity, and I'm hearing that these things will restock this Tuesday on the sneakers app, so I figured why not give you guys a detailed review right now. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button for your boy. Comment down below and let me know if you already have your pair, and is this double up worthy, and also what is your opinion on this sneaker? What do you rank it with all the other Union Jordan 1s? I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. So my initial reaction seeing this sneaker was like, you know what, I've heard good things about the quality, but the quality is immaculate on this sneaker, I can't even lie. But just as I look at it, it does give me very much the Lost and Found Chicago vibes, from the crinkle leather to the age outsole. It gives me those vibes a lot. So I was kind of like, oh, okay, if you got that one, do you need this one? But if you can grab both of them, it's definitely worth the cop. But we're going to go ahead and start with the box. As you guys can see right here, we do have that Wing It box. They went back with the packaging on the Off New York and the Storm blue ones. I think that was the name of both of them. We do have that Nike Air also, and then the box, label box, does look like this. This one is a size 11.5. You guys can pause the video if y'all need to legit check your pair. And then as we open up this box, it's going to be that Wing It paper. It's also two massive, the shoes come wrapped like gifts, bro. That massive paper in there as well. I took it out because my neighbor hit on these, and he is going to be flipping them, and I didn't want to crinkle up that paper anymore, so I did remove it. But that's the packaging that you guys can see. Got a little Union font on it and stuff like that, and that is going to do it for the box. Now when we talk about the actual sneaker, as you guys can see right here, we're going to start with the hang tag. The hang tag is going to be that blue Union hang tag. I think that comes with all the Unions. I know it came with my Off New York Jordan 4s, so I think that comes standard with all of them. Not sure, I only have two pair of Unions, but the main thing to stick out on these is that you see on that back end, on the upper, you do have this, it's like a rough suede or nubuck material. I don't like that. But I also didn't like the crinkle leather on the back of the Lost and Founds, on the collar, the sock collar of that sneaker either. But so it doesn't make or break anything. But you do have that shadow on the top, that shadow gray. For those of you that don't know, you have the Chicago colorway, color blocking, and then the top is shadow. So it's kind of like a hybrid. They kind of mix both sneakers together. But as you guys can see right there, the leather quality is good. You do have that classic stitching on the Union Jordan 1s that goes right there with the UNL patch logo right there. Going around the sneaker on the tongue, on the Nike Air, as you guys can see right here, the Nike Air is going to be kind of like a weird stitch. It's not your normal. And then you got exposed tongue, the exposed tongue on there. Go ahead, since I show you guys the laces, it's going to be 3 sets of laces on these things, which is crazy work, man. You got a black and gray mix, and then you got a white, and then you have a yellow, man. I think the yellows would go ham on these, so I think that's going to be the color to go. But also sticking on the tongue, you do have that blue zigzag stitching, and then you have that cream thick tongue. The tongue is plush, really, really plush. The leather is nice. Toe box leather on that thing, as you guys can see right there. Really, really good, man. Really good leather. Chicago color blocking on that toe box. On the inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing. Black Nike swoosh. Y'all see the quality on that Nike swoosh. Side panel quality is really nice. So the quality is really good on it. The booty of these things. Y'all see the booties of these things? These things look good, bro. Like, the quality of these are thicker, like the material is thicker. And the piping along the color blocking is like a yellow, as you guys can see right there. On the bottom, we do have a Chicago red on the bottom. Sail outsole, as you guys can see right there. That vintage sail look that they like to do a lot of. And all in all, just a super clean sneaker. Leather quality is good. Material is really good. If you were able to cop these things for retail, $200 for retail, this is definitely a must cop in my opinion. If you have the Lost and Founds and you don't want to spend extra bread, I can respect that totally. Some people are saying no, you gotta, no, I can respect it totally. I think that that is a valid statement to make. But if you have the option between the two, I think it's going to depend on if you're an OG person or not. Like if you're an OG person and you don't care about the hype, I think the lost and founds would do you fine. But if you were one of those people where you just gotta have both and you Jordan 1s, I can see why you would want to get both. But or if you prefer the union, the mix, like let's say if you don't have the Shadow and the Chicago colorway, right? And you just want to mix both of them together. This would be a perfect sneaker to do both instead of buying both of those sneakers. So it's options out there, but as far as resale goes, I think the resale will go up, but this is going to be a whole type of sneaker, especially if they're going to drop them this Tuesday, March 18th. I think that's the sneakers release day. Not sure how it's going to be or if it's actually going to drop, but I hear they're going to be loading on there. So if they're going to actually drop these things, I think that the resale would go down for a little while, right around that 500 price range. And then after all the sizes are bought up and they're not going to release them anymore, that eventually a year or so, 2 years, this will be $1,000 sneaker. Most definitely, because it is that Chicago colorway with the Shadow colorway. And it is that classic union cut. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. What are your thoughts and opinions? Is this a sneaker that you had to have? Do you like this sneaker? Do you feel like they could have done something differently? But that's all I got for y'all. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
They ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.